Contestant candidate number 8. Okay, contestant number 8, you are very beautiful tonight. How are you?
I am very grateful that I'm here to Thai fight, and I am very thankful for my supporter. Thank you.
Who are your supporters?
Yes.
Nasaan ang supporters? With contestant number 8.
Yes, one thing I realized in joining this kind of competition, you will have a lot of supporters. The instant celebrity, very instant noodles. Okay,
Speak your
a
judge.
question. Okay, and your judge is Coach Miguel Lorenzo Jorge Dinarao.
Good evening. Okay, so your question is, beyond physical appearance, what quality makes a young woman truly beautiful? Again, I'll repeat. Beyond physical appearance, what quality makes a young woman truly beautiful?
Beyond physical appearance, what makes a young woman truly beautiful is her character, a beautiful heart, a kind spirit, and the courage to stand what is right leaves a greater impact than beauty alone. As Miss Tin Bimasalang, I believe true beauty is reflected on how we treat others, how we overcome our challenges, how we use our voice to inspire positive change. Beauty may be seen, but character is what people remember. Thank you.